Hey everybody, thanks for joining us today on IT Dead PCs. I just wanted to make a real quick first video here going over how to change default apps like web browser, email. Just because with Microsoft pushing out its new Edge browser based on Chromium, I really think that they're going to default that web browser back to Edge, kind of forcing you to take a look at the program. If you have no interest in that, like I don't, I figured I'd make a real quick video on how to change that back. The fastest way to do it is just going to be to open up your internet browser. More than likely it'll pop up and it will say, this isn't your default browser. Do you want to make it your default browser? Click yes, you're done. You don't even have to watch the rest of this video, but I am going to go into individual file types and how to do it manually. For some reason that isn't working. Go ahead and open up a search bar, click the default apps. You'll see here, like I said, it kind of has some of the most common programs that you use. Outlook, this defaults to Mail on just a standard install. I use VLC Media Player for video and Google Chrome for web browser. I actually most of the time use Brave, but apparently I don't have it installed on this machine. And so to change any of these, really easy. Click on it. It will show you all of the programs that can work for what you're looking for. So these are all the web browsers. If I were to go to Mail, it would show me, Google Chrome and Outlook. And so, yeah, these will all show the different media players or options that you have for whatever it is you're trying to do. There's no save or anything. Once you change it, you're done. That's it. Good to go. Like I said, I did want to kind of cover down here, though. There are three different options. These ones I don't really use all that much. I've just never really run into that much of a use for them. But the change by file type is something that I run to a lot with things like PDF or I have a 3D printer, and so sometimes I use different slicers for different programs. You'll kind of see here that Media Player took over all of these. Windows always recommends itself, but so it took over the defaults for all of those when I installed it. But I just wanted to use PDF as an example, just because, like I said, I run into that all of the time. At clients' locations and stuff like that. When you download Google Chrome, it commonly likes to hijack that and make itself the default viewer for PDFs. I use Adobe Reader just because it works really well. Don't have a lot of problems with it. Importantly, it's free. Plus, it does have an extension for Google Chrome. So if it did default to something else, just like with the other one, change it back. No save button, no nothing like that. Just for the sake of covering it, I will open up the other two. Protocol is just that. Like I said, I really can't think of a reason offhand. I'm sure there will be, a couple of people that say that they use this all the time. If you do, great. It's just not something I run into all that much. The set defaults by app is kind of the opposite of the set by file type. The only difference is this will show you what processes it can handle, or what file types it can handle, what URLs or protocols it can handle, and you can make the decision using that for each program. So that's pretty much it. Hopefully we got you set back to where you need it to be, and have a great day.